Hello, Princess Pham. It's the toy hacker.
Oh, why are you calling me?
Slime Academy has been shut down. No one can get in or out.
And there's a note!
Oh, there is. Whoa.
What does it say?
Princess Toy Review.
Come on, Princess Pham.
All right. Ooh, we made it nice and early today.
I know. This is the first time I'm early for anything in my life.
That is true.
Hey,
Huh?
where's the Slime Master?
Uh-oh, maybe we're really that early.
You mean I could have slept for another 10 minutes? Ay. That's a phone?
Yeah, it is. Should I pick it up?
I guess. Just answer it.
I wonder who it is. Hello, Slime Academy, Princess Pham.
Hello, Princess Pham. It's the toy hacker.
Oh, why are you calling me?
Slime Academy has been shut down. No one can get in or out. If you want to unlock Slime Academy, you must follow the clues to escape.
What clues?
I am fragile, transparent, and I help you with experiments.
What? You just hung up on me. That's strange.
What happened? What happened, Princess Pham?
I just got a call from the toy hacker.
The toy hacker?
Yeah, he said that Slime Academy has been shut down.
We're locked in here?
Yes, and no one could get in to help us. But we can help ourselves out.
What do you mean?
We have to follow a bunch of clues to escape.
But what's the clue?
The first clue is I'm fragile, I'm transparent, and I help with, what is it? Experiments. Yeah, I help with experiments.
Fragile, transparent, experiment? You mean like Granny?
I was thinking about the Slime Master.
But they're not transparent.
And I don't think they're fragile either. That's not very nice. There's gotta be something in our Slime Academy that are all those three components we should look for.
Okay, how about we go look?
I think I might have found something. It's fragile, I would say. It's like jelly. It's also transparent because it's clear. And
What'd you find?
it could technically help us with experiments.
Yeah.
We could put this in our slime. Let me see if there's anything.
There's another one here. I'll check this one.
Okay. I really don't see
I
anything.
don't see anything.
That's weird. Hey! What about that clear glue over there?
Oh, the clear glue!
Yeah.
Let's see. I was looking at it earlier, but I wasn't sure. It is fragile, and then it's clear, and it's transparent, and it helps us with our experiment to make slime. It has to be one of these. Let's see. I just see an endless amount of glues in here, and I'm running out of hands. I mean, look at all these glue, Princess Pham. I can't find anything.
I think we're onto something, but I have to say, it says that it's fragile. And what does that normally mean?
Glass. Glass is fragile.
Exactly, and we have a bunch of glass over
Let's
here.
look over here.
Let's see.
I see lots of test tubes and stir sticks and beakers and glass bowls.
Oh, check out these. These are so cute.
I know.
I love it.
I know, they're so small. And they're like small,
Where is our
medium,
clue?
a little bit bigger, and giant. We have like 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Do you see what I see?
I see something orange. What's this doing in here?
Oh!
Ooh,
Hey, there's a piece of paper on that!
Okay, so we not only found this like orange buzzer, I found a piece of paper. And it says, you can break me apart and put me back together.
Like a puzzle?
Yeah, but Slime Academy doesn't have any puzzles here.
Break me apart and put me back together.
I'm just gonna put this in my pocket.
Princess Pham, I don't know, but I want to escape.
We're gonna escape.
Why are we always locked into places?
I don't know, maybe the toy hacker thinks it's fun. But look, we already got through 2 clues. We can do this.
Okay, so we don't have puzzles. Okay, what can we break apart but put back together? Like slime? We opened this the other day. We got grape jelly.
Ooh.
I mean, look, let's try it. Okay, so you can break it apart like this, and then you can put it back together.
Oh,
But I don't see anything here.
Well, maybe we should look through some more.
So not this one.
Okay, let me check through this mustard one here. I know we definitely opened this one. No clue in
It
here.
has to be the ketchup one, Princess Pham. You know how much I love ketchup.
Oh, yes.
Oh, check this out. It's super, super red and it breaks apart.
Whoa.
It has to be this one. Hey, it's not this one. Huh, how about we try one of the sodas?
Okay, let's try grape soda. I like grape soda. Let's pop up. Wait, let's see.
Twist
Oh,
it.
there it is. Okay, so what? This smells so good. I'm gonna plop it out and I don't see.
And then there's nothing in this root beer either.
Oh man.
Maybe it's not over here.
Maybe it's not. Okay, we gotta think about
We gotta
this.
think about this.
You can break me apart and put me back together.
Break me apart.
Break me
Put me back together.
I normally wouldn't do this and go to the slime master's desk, but I gotta do it now. Ooh, what about this foam? It's like molecules. We can break it apart and we can put it back together.
Oh, you're right.
Remember like Ryan's molecules?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have blue ones,
Green.
we have orange ones. Make sure you check to make sure there's
Purple.
no.
I don't see anything. Pink.
More green.
More blue. More orange. More blue.
Look, this is.
Whoa! And there's a note.
Oh, there is. Whoa.
What does it say?
It says, I am the same color as the clouds and I give you protection.
Okay, clouds are white. White and protection. I know! Granny uses it all the time! She always uses this to check our slime. Let's see if I see anything. I don't. Okay, let's see. Maybe I need to like check with this. It just makes everything bigger. I don't see anything, Princess Pham. I see glue and more glue and wait a minute! Magnifying glass! See these glasses. These give you protection. Let me try one on. Maybe these will make us see something we don't see. Let's see.
Well, these do give us protection, but I have to say,
What?
I don't really think these are considered white. They're really transparent or clear.
They're clear, you're right.
So, and I see white glue up there, but that definitely doesn't
Not
give us
white
protection.
either.
There's this white board, but
That doesn't give us protection. Wait a minute! Our lab coats! They're white and they give us protection.
So maybe
Maybe it's like in here?
I got my clue.
Oh, I don't have anything in my pocket. No? Wait a minute! Our lab coat rack! There's another lab coat here. Maybe there's
right.
something in here?
Is there anything in there?
Or here? Or wait a minute, there's more pockets somewhere. Princess Pham, look what I found! A green button with a note. And it says, green, blue, black, gold, pink, clear.
Green, blue, black, gold, pink, clear. It's
Wait, here! Again! Green,
blue,
blue, black, gold. No, there's no
orange.
gold. There's pink
We were
and there's
close.
clear. That was a good try. Where can we find all of those colors at?
Let me see. Let me.
Maybe there. Whoa, be careful.
Okay, good.
There's
Womp,
no gold.
womp. There is no green.
Oh, maybe these splatters on the wall.
Oh.
Okay, we have orange. Wait, there's no green or gold. Where is there green and gold? Let's see. Green and gold. Green and gold. Green. Wait a minute. I see some green right here. And I see gold. Princess Pham, perhaps it's the glues?
Okay, let's check all the colors.
Okay, you call it out.
All right, so green,
Okay,
blue,
okay.
black,
Uh-huh.
gold,
Let me guess.
pink,
Pink, pink, pink. Okay.
and clear.
Clear. So it's this tray. Let's pull it out and see. And sure enough, there's something here, Princess Pham. Another buzzer with a note that says 79, 92, 120. But what are all the numbers? Hey, that's how old Granny is. 92.
No, she's not. She's only 79.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
What have we not looked at?
1 gallon, 3.88 liters.
Hey, Princess T, check
What,
this
what,
out. Look. Have you seen this over here?
Yes, that's so cute.
Yeah, it says, I don't feel stable. And then it says you're overreacting.
I
Isn't that
never
so
noticed
funny?
that's there. I mean, I know it's been there, but I never read it. I mean, I know it's next to this giant periodic table.
Yeah, it's
I
like
mean,
such a witty pun. I love
Princess
it.
Pham!
What?
The periodic table have numbers on there.
Where? I only see some letters and
No,
some
look!
words.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Whoa, 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 what's going on?
Whoa. Okay, we have to slow down. Okay, let's see.
What numbers?
Down.
You call it out. Okay.
Okay, you pretend to circle it on
Okay.
there, okay? Don't do it for real. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
79.
Okay, this is 79.
It
Okay.
says gold.
Okay.
Okay.
What else?
92.
92, 92, 90. Oh, it jumps. 92.
It
Says uranium.
uranium.
Okay.
1.
1. Okay, hydrogen.
Hydrogen, okay. And 20.
20. Calcium.
Uh,
What does gold, uranium, hydrogen, and calcium have to do with anything?
G-U.
Let's write it on the board. Okay, let me get to the board. Okay,
G-U-H.
go ahead and call it out.
G-U.
Okay.
H-C. Is
Wait,
that?
we're missing you. Yeah, that's right.
That's guck.
What's guck?
Maybe that's another word for slime.
So, slime equals guck? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Doesn't make sense.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't be looking at the letters on the word. Maybe we should look at
The colors!
what colors?
Okay, read me the color, Princess Pham. Let me write it on the board. Okay.
Wait.
Read me the colors.
I have a blue.
A blue, okay, what else?
And then I have a pink. Oh, wait,
Okay.
maybe that's a purple.
Purple, okay.
And then one. Oh, and then I have green.
Okay.
And then and then I have orange.
Orange. Okay, so we have blue, purple, green, orange. Is anything blue, purple, green, orange? I know, look. We have blue, and then we have, no, we don't have purple. But we have green and orange.
Blue, purple.
Blue, purple, like glue? We have blue, purple, green, orange, glue. Green, orange.
Okay, ready.
Ready. Wait, what?
Blue, purple.
No,
green, orange.
The buzzer! The phone!
Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, blue, purple, green, and orange.
Okay, press the button. Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna
you
do-
got this. You got this. Go ahead.
I'm scared. Okay,
You press 2. I press 2.
all right. Blue, purple,
Green, orange. The phone's ringing. Hello?
Hello, Princess T.
Who's this?
It's the toy hacker.
The toy hacker?
Did we successfully open up Slime
Did we open up Slime Academy? Did we make it?
Congratulations, Slime Academy is now open.
Oh, yes! Hey, he just hung up on me.
He's very rude.
How rude.
It's okay.
But we got out! Yay!
Awesome.
Maybe we should clean up.
Oh, yeah.
Let's clean up. Whoa!
Hey class,
Hi!
I'm sorry I'm late. The craziest thing happened.
What
I got
happened?
locked out of Slime Academy.
You did?
Let's just start today's lesson. We're making gigantic slime today.
Whoa!
Yay!
Okay, Prince and Princesses, that's the end of today's video. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Princess Toys Review, with your parents' permission, of course.
If you like more Slime Academy videos, give this one a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses! Bye!